Welcome to English Boost TV, your place to learn real English through natural conversations. In today's episode, Emma and David talk about one of the most important topics in English. Tell me about yourself. Let's listen and learn how to introduce yourself naturally. Hey Emma, I was thinking, today let's practice something useful for interviews and meeting new people.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What is it?
Tell me about yourself. It's one of the most common questions in English.
True, people always ask that first.
Exactly. So let's practice. I'll go first, then you go.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. My name is David, and I'm from Manchester, England. I work as a graphic designer, and I've been in this field for about 5 years. I'm a creative person, and I really enjoy designing logos and visual content. In my free time, I like playing football, watching movies, and sometimes traveling when I get the chance. I'm also trying to improve my communication skills because I enjoy meeting new people and learning from different cultures.
Wow, that was really clear and natural.
Thanks. Your turn now.
Okay, my name is Emma, and I'm from London. I work as a project manager in a marketing company. I've been working there for 3 years. I enjoy my job because every day is different, and I get to work with many creative people. In my free time, I like reading books, drinking coffee, and going for walks in the park. I also love learning English and improving my speaking skills. One of my goals is to travel more and experience new cultures around the world.
That was great. Very natural and confident.
Thanks. I tried to keep it simple.
You know, many learners make a mistake when answering this question.
Really? What mistake?
They try to memorize very long answers. But in real life, it should be simple and natural.
That makes sense. So we should keep it short but clear.
Exactly. Just name, job, interests, and maybe goals.
Got it. That's actually very helpful.
Also, confidence is very important. Even if your English is not perfect, just speak clearly.
Yes, I agree. Confidence matters more than perfect grammar.
Let's give our listeners a quick formula.
Good idea.
Start with your name, then your job or study. Next, your hobbies. And finally, your goals or interests.
Simple and easy to remember.
For example, my name is David. I'm a designer. I enjoy football and traveling. I want to improve my skills and meet new people.
And mine would be, my name is Emma. I work in marketing. I enjoy reading and coffee. I want to travel more and learn new things.
Great job! Today you learned how to answer, "Tell me about yourself" in natural English. Practice it daily and try to speak with confidence. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. See you in the next episode.